I love you deep in my heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss AKF here. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, welcome to this growing channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. Thank you for always returning. For those just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Kendi Jojuanchukwu. I film about lifestyle, motherhood, faith, and every of my experience living in Nigeria. And you know that I don't take your love for granted. Please don't forget to like before you exit this video. Please do it now. Like, subscribe if you haven't, share this video with people who you feel will enjoy the video, put on your post notification button so that when I post, you, yes, you will be the first to know. All right, without talking too much and wasting much of your time, let's get right into today's video. Whoops. Okay, as you can tell from the title of this video, we are playing dress up. Yes, so I have a bag of thrifted items that I just got for my friend, and we are going to be trying it out together. Okay, so watch this video to the end. You are going to tell me the best outfit, the one you like the most, and also you are going to tell me how I should pair them. All right, okay, so let's do it. This is what I have. This is the first one here. What do you guys think? I have, okay, by the way, I have a mirror here that I'm also looking at. So what do you guys think about this one? This is just a very simple gown, casual outing, you know. Pew, 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 pew. I love it. All right, here we go for number 2. What do you guys think? Ọmọ ọlọ́pàá tó yìí gẹ́gẹ́, ọmọ ọlọ́ta lẹ́nu gẹ́gẹ́, ó ta lẹ́nu ó. Can you see? What do you guys think about this though? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Ooh. Tell my husband to come and pay bride price number 2 because this is hot girl season about to be launched. Hall, I'm not ready. Can you, absolutely you're not. Can you see this? What do you guys think? Let me show you. What do you guys think about this? What do you think? What should you, okay, I should wear this shoe and just, you know, but now. So what do you think about this? Don't forget, watch this video to the end because you need to tell me your favorite. But this is what I have. This is what I've got here. This is kind of see-through. I need to wear something under because this I can see it. I'm not sure it's on camera, but yeah, I need to try as much as possible to wear something darker under. But I love it. Thanks, Kicks. What? Please. Hello. What do you think? So tell me. What do you think of the gown? Cute, right? It's given rich auntie. It's given Kamsi's yummy mommy. You get? Let's knock it. You're not ready. Wait for it. Yeah, so let's keep going. Let's keep going, guys. What do you think? I don't think the top is doing justice to this this pant. Can you see? I told you now. It's hot mommy Kamsi season. Can you see this top pant? I love it. What do you think? I love it, but tell me, do you love it? Do you love it on Miss AKF? Because I do love it on myself. It's really nice. I like the. It's really nice. I like the way it is kitted here and then free on the downside. I like it. I'm saving the best for the last, so don't stop watching this video. Yeah. Okay. Ta-da! What do you guys think? Yellow, I love it. It's given beach style. It's given. I don't know what else is given. Tell me what else is given, but what do you think? I love it. I mean, Shakara. Apart from the fact that I might not be. So the last time I wore something like this, I was worried about how to, arrange my bra and all because of I'm a bit busty, but I was able to do something. So this is the inspiration I need. Now that I have more than one of this type of outfit, I need to go get myself something to hold my bust firm when I'm not wearing bra, so I can go, to and all this. I think it's tubeless. I what they call it. Anyways, this is it though. Key. This looks like the highlight of everything. I saved the best for the last. Tell me what you think. If you see me, it's like ta. Let me gist you. My husband, I went to meet him to help me with my Z. He started blushing. I was like, I'm going for a dinner at Tradition Blue, and I caught him smiling and blushing, but he didn't. When I turned, he now carried straight face. He didn't want to say it, so I told him, okay, I'm going for a dinner. He was like, I said, yeah. Look at the details. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Tell me which is your favorite. This is mine. I think I found one or two others. But tell me which is your favorite. If you have this kind of outfit, where would you would like to wear it to? Birthday, weddings. Tell me. Alright guys, I think this is where I'm going to end it. Let me end with this beautiful dress. Alright, so this is the end of today's video. I just wanted to just come up and then test this outfit with you guys. You people, you are my people now. If I don't do it, who will? If I don't disturb your timeline with these tiny details, who will? So watch out for these dresses when you see me wearing them, you get, because I'm going to be dripping in each of them. Like 1, 2, 3, go. I have this Zara shoe as well. This will definitely go with this, right? What do you think? Let me try it on. I said if people are ready, not ready, you say you are ready. Can you see this babe? What do you think? What do you guys think? What do you think? Thank you. Okay guys, let me just close this video here. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you still haven't. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to put on your bell button so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first to know. Okay? So till I catch you. Yeah, I feel like I'm up that this thing has caught my hair. my head off. Let me wear. You know I'm shooting from my back with my back camera. Alright, so let me end the video here. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Please, if you are new, don't forget to check out my previous videos. I promise to send up to do more. I think I'm doing a sit down video, another sit down video. Alright, you expect to see more on this channel, definitely. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I have a bag full of